Ready to be blown away? Take a look at our breathtaking DA30 and DA40-5, the driving giants. Where they operate, things are tough. These boys need to be robust. And with bodies built from 400 HP hardness steel plates, our dump trucks are indestructible. Safety comes first at Doosan, and that's exactly why the boarding of the ADTs is along the front. This way, your operator sees whenever someone's approaching. The entrance of the cab is large and the door opens from front to back. It's all about comfort, you know. Our Doosan ADT concept offers a larger load capacity in every weight category. It meets Stage 4 regulations with the 370 horsepower Scania DC9 and the 490 horsepower DC13 diesel engines. The engines use high-pressure common rail fuel delivery and cooled EGR along with SCR with a DOC. New to the DA30-5 and DA40-5 is a mass airflow sensor and an exhaust brake, working simultaneously to reduce emissions and increase the performance and efficiency. What more could you wish for? Our ADTs have an external engine intake air grill located on the hood's right-hand side, providing cooler air to the engine intake to improve engine efficiency. Plus, a new air vent helps prevent overpressurization in the engine compartment. Six-wheel drive, a free-swinging rear tandem, a front-mounted turning ring, independent front-wheel suspension, and a sloping rear frame provide excellent driving stability with equal weight distribution and superior traction. Our Doosan articulated dump trucks are designed to operate in very tough conditions and travel at speeds of up to 55 kilometers per hour. Back to work and quarry action. When tipping 40 tons, you want your dump truck to be stable so you can move the body quickly. Pushing the brake and gas pedal at the same time could be inconvenient. But we have a solution. On top of your body up joystick, you'll find a small button. Press it and you'll increase the engine revs, so your leg is free to push the brake. You can't say Doosan isn't concerned with your driving comfort. We make sure you can focus on the things that really matter.
The cabin is one of the most important parts of this machine. You have to spend your whole day in it.
And so we've spared no effort to make our cabs as comfortable as possible. Inside, you'll be struck by the quietness, only 72 decibels, the enormous space, and the simplicity of the operation. You'll notice the improved layout and that the most important switches are grouped together on the right console, where they're easy to reach. A user-friendly 7-inch control panel informs you about the machine's status. And thanks to a high-quality reverse camera, you can easily keep an eye on what's behind you.
Don't worry about your back anymore. With this high comfort quality seat from Grammer, you will sit like at home.
It's never too cold or too hot inside your cab. The fully automatic climate control system is designed for heavy-duty application. We've even left space for your fridge with power supply and a factory-fitted radio with a USB port to make your time at work even more enjoyable. Strong and well-distributed lights and big cab windows let everybody know the size of this truck when driving at night. To ensure the smoothest possible gear shifts and momentum, you can run the truck in automatic or manual transmission. There are many dangerous situations in a rocky environment. What would happen if you tip the body up at full speed and the load doesn't slide out because it's frozen or stuck for any of a million other reasons? If the tipping cylinders hit the end of the stroke, things could get tricky. But the integrated computer system automatically detects when the body goes up and will always slow down the lifting procedure before the end of the stroke, no matter what the ground angle is. The same slow down procedure will also come into action to gently lay the body down on the frame. Simplicity works is Doosan's slogan. We have implemented it on all our machines. Our ADTs are equipped with a combination of automatic limited slip and manual differentials, automatic and manual transmission shift, power steering, a simple touchpad and a large, easy-to-read display.
To be honest, guys, even a child can operate this big beast.
It's so smooth to drive. And as off-road machines should be able to go through the roughest terrain, we build our trucks to keep all wheels on the ground, no matter what the circumstances are. Our unique tandem solution makes it all possible.
If you want to drive in a sticky ground, it's important that the weight is distributed over all 6 wheels.
Due to the shape of our rear frame and body, our dump trucks will always have equal load distribution and the lowest possible ground pressure. You'll feel it any time, especially when driving uphill or on slippery ground. A tilting cab gives service technicians easy access to all of the truck's major components. The cab can be tilted back in less than 5 minutes for routine maintenance and repairs. We haven't forgotten your work comfort, and we know about cost efficiency. At Doosan, we always work with your operating costs in mind. Welcome to the Doosan ADT of tomorrow. Your tomorrow. Our ADTs have superpowers. Take the hydraulic retarder. It keeps your machine at a safe and low speed, even on steep slopes and when it's fully loaded.
Our retarder will kick in automatically as soon as I take my foot off the gas pedal.
Push it again to modulate the retarder power.
No need to use the service brakes.
However, if you do want to use them, they're always there, on each hub in an enclosed oil bath. This means there's no need to change your brake pads over and over again. And thanks to the automatic lubrication system, our Doosan trucks keep themselves greased. The onboard payload system keeps track of what your dump truck has done during the day. You can see how many tons and loads it's moved, what distance it's driven, and how much diesel it's used. This really is insightful and cost-saving information.
All of that is supplied as standard equipment on all our machines.